You will learn how to use the new AI integrated into Canva to create greater designs. Let's just get right into it. All right, let's take a look at what we have here. All right, it says I am a PC guy. Okay, so I want to submit this design on print on demand website, whereby when people buy a particular shirt or hoodies or trousers, all right, or even mugs, this whole design will be printed on it. All right, we printed on any of those products. Okay, so I do that kind of business too. So if I submit this design like this, if I download it and submit it on the website, it will be rejected. The reason is because of this. All right, the edges of this is not smooth. Let me zoom it so that you see what I'm saying. Okay, the edges are not smooth, so they will be rejected. This design, because of this particular object I have here, this particular image I have here, it will be rejected. All right. So what do I need to do right now? I need to tell the Canva AI to help me clean this up so that it will be suitable for commercial printing. So let me bring this together so that you see what you're going to do again. So for you to use the Canva AI to clean up your design, first is to clean on the image. In this case, all right, I'm using this as an example. So I'll click on it. Once you click on the image, you will see some options here. Okay, you can see this option, Ask Canva. So click on that option. Once you click on that Ask Canva, you will see this will show up here. This page will show up by this side. That's by the right. Okay, and here it's telling you type what you want to tell this AI to do for you. Okay, so I will type what I want it to do for me, and I send. Okay. And now look at what I have for this AI tool of Canva. I say, clean up this image, including the edges, in a way that it will be suitable for printing on shirts. I do not want it to rejected when submitted, so make the edges smooth and remove anything that may be a hindrance for excellent commercial printing. So I have instructed this AI on what to do. So the next step is to click on this submit comment section. So give it time for it to generate a new image for you, which you can replace with this. Okay. But it will look like this, but the only thing is that it will remove some parts that may make this not to work when you submit it. Okay. You can see it has generated a cleaner picture of this. So you need to use this one to replace what you have here. And for you to do that, just click on it once. With this replacement, I can then go ahead and download this design. But note, if when your own design is added, that it is a transparent design, don't worry. If it's meant for print on demand, once you remove the background, which is black in this case, all right, you will still get the best result. So to save this, I'll click on this, I'll click on download, and I'll select the download button again. So it's now downloaded. Let's get to the file explorer of my PC to see how it looks. So look at it here. I'll double click on it. I'll maximize it. And it's clean. It's a clean design.